आवाज नहीं. Assalamu alaikum everyone. I'm Ashia Nasreen, also known as Shia Education Wali from Kampala, Uganda. I am your host today on the TEDx review. I'm a level 1 student at Rehan IIT's Training Institute, batch 23, under the guidance of Miss Siram Mushtaq Education Wali and Miss Nargis Training Wali. I'm here with the TEDx review on the topic Learning How to Learn by Barbara Oakley. So, before starting, let us know something about Barbara Oakley. Barbara, she is Barbara Oakley. She is a professor of engineering at Oakland University in Rochester, Michigan. Her research focuses on the relationship between neuroscience and social behavior and has been described as revolutionary. Oakley's she is also a professor, researcher, author, and educator. She is best known for co-creating the popular course Learning How to Learn, which has enrolled millions of learners worldwide. She specializes in neuroscience learning. We have already seen it. So her personal transformation from struggling student to engineering professor has inspired people around the world. Okay, so let us start the review. So when Barbara was young, she has traveled many places, and she was in her childhood she was struggling with mathematics and science. Then her transformation from struggling in mathematics to a professor in engineering inspire us very well. like she um, her journey proves that intelligence is not fixed and that effective learning strategies can help anyone master difficult subjects. Okay, so she talks about she was fond of learning in her childhood stage. She was fond of learning languages, and she learned the Russian language and also worked as a Russian translator. Okay, so next, she talks about two types. She talks about two ideas: the difference between focus mode and the diffuse mode thinking. She tells that when we are active and when we are actively doing some work, then our focus mode is active, and when we go to sleep or when we relax in the background, our diffuse mode works. So these focus and diffuse mode, this our brain contains these two modes. So we have to use our thinking moves between these two modes. So we have to use wisely these two modes and develop our learning. She gave the example of two um, very intelligent persons. One is Salvador Dali. He was a famous, brilliant painter. When he was not getting his ideas, he used to take a key in his hand and used to relax by holding the key. When he was going from his focus mode to the diffuse mode, he used to get the ideas in his mind. Then suddenly the key drops down. Then he brings the ideas from diffuse mode to the focus mode and use it in his painting. Then she talks about a famous inventor Thomas Alva Edison. When he want to get some more ideas, so he used to hold a ball bearing in his hand. Then and he used to relax and go into a sleep. Then when the ideas click in his diffuse mind, then he wake up and come into the focus mind, and he bring those ideas into the focus mind and use in his inventions. Okay, so like this, we move from the focus mode to the diffuse mode. So then she also talks about the procrastination. Procrastination is the delaying of the work. So she also gives us the ways to overcome the procrastination, by doing exercises. Okay, then by taking test of ourselves, whatever we have learned, then by recalling whatever we have learned, then by chunking. Chunking means breaking down the task into small pieces. Then she also talks about Pomodoro technique. Pomodoro technique is like continuously focusing for 25 minutes on any task. Then after 25 minutes, taking a break, relaxing. Then again going to the 25 minutes task. That is called as the Pomodoro technique. So instead of simply reading notes, students should actively test themselves and practice and recalling information. Okay. Then this TED Talk is highly recommended for students, teachers, and lifelong learners. It shows that learning is a skill that can be developed through the right methods and mindset. So I hope many students and teachers have learned many useful things from this TED Talk review. So now even I want to give this TED Talk in Hindi or Urdu. तो इस टेड टॉक के वीडियो में ये एक इंस्पिरेशनल और प्रैक्टिकल टेड टॉक है। इससे हमें बहुत कुछ सीखने को मिलता है। इससे हमें सिखाया जाता है कि सीखना कैसे है। इसमें बारबरा ओकले ने सिखाया कि सीखते कैसे हैं। ये बहुत इंस्पायरिंग और इन्फॉर्मेटिव है। कि वो बताती है कि हर इंसान अपनी लर्निंग स्किल्स को इम्प्रूव कर सकता है। सबसे इंटरेस्टिंग बात ये है कि बारबरा जब स्कूल में मैथ्स को लेके स्ट्रगल कर रही थी, बहुत वीक थी, लेकिन बाद में वो एक प्रोफेसर ऑफ इंजीनियरिंग बन गई। तो ये उनका सफ़र बहुत ही इंस्पायरिंग है हमारे लिए। देन हम अपने टैलेंट को यूज़ करके और उसमें कुछ टेक्निक्स के साथ हम हमारे टैलेंट को टेक्निक्स के साथ यूज़ करके उसे बहुत अच्छा बना सकते हैं। देन इन्होंने 2 इम्पोर्टेंट चीज़ों पे फोकस किया है, इम्पोर्टेंट कॉन्सेप्ट बताए हैं। एक है फोकस मोड, एक है डिफ्यूज़ मोड। फोकस मोड जब होता है जब हम किसी चीज़ को पूरी तवज्जो के साथ देखते हैं। डिफ्यूज़ मोड जब रहता है जब हम रिलैक्स करते हैं या ब्रेक लेते हैं। सो दोनों माइंड्स मिलकर बेहतर लर्निंग को और क्रिएटिविटी को सपोर्ट करते हैं। तो उन्होंने प्रोक्रेस्टिनेशन के बारे में भी बताया है, कैसे हम अपने वर्क को डिले करते हैं। तो इस प्रोक्रेस्टिनेशन को हम ऐसे भी ओवरकम कर सकते हैं, जैसे लाइक रिकॉलिंग एक्सरसाइज, या खुद का टेस्ट लेकर, या उसको टास्क को छोटे-छोटे पार्ट्स में डिवाइड करके हम उसको ओवरकम कर सकते हैं। उन्होंने पोमोडोरो टेक्निक के बारे में भी बताया, जिसमें हम 25 मिनट्स एक टास्क पर फोकस करते हैं, देन हम 5 मिनट्स का ब्रेक लेते हैं, देन अगेन हम 25 मिनट्स उसी टास्क पर फोकस करते हैं। तो ये सारी चीज़ें हम यूज़ करके हमारी क्रिएटिविटी को, हमारी लर्निंग को और भी ज़्यादा बेहतर बना सकते हैं। देन उनके नज़दीक ये टॉक हर स्टूडेंट और लर्नर को देखनी चाहिए। ये हमें सिखाती है कि लर्निंग एक स्किल है जो सही स्ट्रैटेजीज और पॉजिटिव माइंडसेट के साथ डेवलप की जा सकती है। इस टॉक का मैसेज है, स्टडी स्मार्टर नॉट हार्डर। सो थैंक यू सो मच एवरीवन फॉर हियरिंग दिस TED Talk review. I hope you have learned much more things about this from this TED Talk. I hope you have learned how to learn. So thank you so much for joining me. Let's meet in our next TED Talk review. Until then, keep learning, keep growing. अल्लाह हाफिज़, अस्सलाम वालेकुम।